Welcome back to our travel guide series. In this video, we will be talking about Taiwan. East Asian island nation Taiwan, also referred to as the Republic of China, is situated there. It is renowned for its breathtaking natural scenery, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine. Here is a thorough travel manual to assist you in organizing your trip to Taiwan. Arriving in Taiwan. By air. The primary international airport in Taiwan is Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, which is situated about 40 kilometers (25 miles) west of Taipei. Many major cities in the world, including many in Asia and some in North America and Europe, have direct flights to Taiwan. By ferry. Several ferry services connect Taiwan with other nations, such as China and Japan, as well. Tourists who want to visit Taiwan as part of a longer journey to East Asia typically use these services. Taiwan transportation. By train. The majority of the island's major cities are connected by Taiwan's well-developed rail network. Between Taipei and other cities, the Taiwan High-Speed Rail, HSR, provides quick and convenient service. By bus. Taiwan has a sizable bus network that is a convenient way to get between towns and smaller cities. By automobile. Renting a car is another alternative for navigating around Taiwan, but be aware that due to the island's curving roads and heavy traffic, driving in Taiwan might be difficult. Taiwan attractions and activities. Visit Taipei. Taipei, Taiwan's capital and largest city, is renowned for its thriving night markets, mouthwatering street food, and ancient temples. Some of the must-see sites include the Longshan Temple, the National Palace Museum, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and the Taipei 101 skyscraper. Visit Sun Moon Lake. Sun Moon Lake is a stunning lake that is a well-liked tourist destination in Taiwan's central region. A boat ride on the lake, a trip to the Wen Wu Temple, or a journey on a cable car to the summit of the neighboring mountains are all options for tourists. Visit Taroko National Park. This spectacular national park in Taiwan's east is well known for its breathtaking marble cliffs, hiking paths, and hot springs. The Taroko Gorge, one of Taiwan's most well-liked tourist destinations, is located in the park. Visit Kenting National Park. Situated in the southern part of Taiwan, Kenting National Park is renowned for its stunning beaches, coral reefs, and distinctive tropical habitat. In the park, visitors can engage in water activities including scuba diving and snorkeling. Visit the East Coast National Scenic Area. Located in Taiwan's east, the East Coast National Scenic Area is renowned for its rocky coastline terrain and stunning beaches. Hiking along the coast, touring the Lanyong Museum, and dining on regional fare are all options for visitors. Visit Tainan. Tainan is Taiwan's oldest city and is renowned for its illustrious past and vibrant present. The National Museum of Taiwan History, the Anping Old Street, and the Tainan Confucius Temple are all open to visitors. Travel to Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung, Taiwan's second-largest city, is renowned for its picturesque harbor, vibrant nightlife, and numerous temples. The Kaohsiung Film Archive, the Kaohsiung Museum of History, or a boat tour of the port are all options for visitors. Visit Alishan. Located in Taiwan's central region, Alishan is a gorgeous mountain range renowned for its breathtaking beauty, hiking paths, and hot springs. A traditional tea harvesting experience can be had at the Alishan tea plantations, the Alishan National Scenic Area, or by riding the Alishan Forest Railway to the top of the mountain. Visit the National Palace Museum, which is house to one of the world's largest collections of Chinese art and antiques and is situated in Taipei. Anyone interested in Chinese history and culture must see it. Try some of the local delicacies like stinky tofu, night market snacks, and bubble tea. Taiwan is famed for its delectable street cuisine, so visitors ought to try some of it. Take a hot spring bath. Taking a hot spring bath is a must-do activity while visiting Taiwan because the country is home to several hot springs. There are hot springs in many locations throughout Taiwan, including Baitu and Jiaoxi. Discover the night markets. Taiwan is renowned for its night markets, where you can discover a huge selection of street food, apparel, and souvenirs. Shilin Night Market in Taipei and Fengjia Night Market in Taichung are two well-known night marketplaces. Remember to visit Taiwan in the spring and fall, March to May, September to November, when the weather is moderate and comfortable, when you are making travel plans. In the summer, Taiwan may get fairly hot and muggy, while in the winter, it can get rather wet. Additionally, since major tourist locations might become congested during the summer, It's a good idea to reserve lodging and map out your schedule in advance. Since English is not frequently spoken in Taiwan, it's a good idea to learn a few fundamental Chinese phrases. Taiwan can be reasonably priced, yet costs can change based on where you are and the time of year. The cost of meals and transportation is typically affordable, and lodging options range from modest hostels to opulent hotels. Overall, Taiwan has plenty to offer everyone, from stunning natural scenery and cultural landmarks to delectable cuisine and a vibrant nightlife. It's a location that should unquestionably be on the list of everyone wishing to travel somewhere special and memorable. Thanks for watching. Explore the world, wander far and wide, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Yours truly, The Wanderer's Odyssey.